Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage product sale history using this our Dev Sale History app. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here this module sale history. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to product. Go to anyone like a block screen, now opening and display here this menu sale history. And no available any sale history for this block screen product. So here now icon to add. So first go to save order. Need to create new order, add here this customer like Lego ID and add here the same product like a block screen. Click save and do confirm this order. So display here now enable this option sell order history, and when you click on this then creating sell history for the product. Now go to the same product block screen and do refresh this and display here the sale history for this block screen product. And if you want to write here any remarks related this, then easy write here like confirm this order and save. And if you want to display here or added multiple order history, then easily select here this new order like a customer select, add here the same product block screen let's see, do confirm this order. Now again click on the sell order history and total display 2 orders, because first time create for the deco ID and second time create for the Azure. So display here total 2 orders. Again go to the same product and go to the sell history tab and now display here total 2 history of this block screen product. So using this our app, you can easily manage sale history for this product. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.